In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Google Analytics 4 for your Wix site by creating a web data stream and getting your unique measurement ID. Start by signing into your Google Analytics account. Once you're on the Analytics dashboard, click the admin gear icon in the bottom left corner. In the admin area, create a new property if you don't already have one set up for this website, or select the existing property you want to use. A property is where Google Analytics collects and organizes your site's traffic and visitor data. Quick side note, for more simple Wix and Google Analytics tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Next, open Data Streams. This is where you tell Google Analytics which source will be sending data into the property. Choose Web, then enter your Wix site URL when prompted. After you create the web stream, Google Analytics will display a measurement ID beginning with GIA. Copy this ID carefully, since it identifies this specific analytics property and is the value you'll use when connecting tracking to your Wix website. And that's it. You've created your GA4 web stream for your Wix site and copied the measurement ID you need.